all of you are fine. Students, in previous videos we have done the reading practice. हमने reading practice की lesson number first, the first part of Qasim and Ali and the second part, and I explain you the story of that lesson. So I hope all of you have practiced it at your home, and here we are also revise the glossary. Now let me start our chapter exercise. First one is read and learn. पढ़िए और याद कीजिए. Agreement, come up with, knock out, bet, come out with, opportunity. Listen it once again. Agreement, come up with, knock out, bet, come out with, opportunity. Now from the word power, students, question number 2 is match the column. Means here there are some words in column A and their meanings are in column B. So we have to match the words with their meanings. The first one is already done for you. Like bet means an agreement to risk money on the result of race, game, competition, etc. Now the second one is marble. Marble means a small glass ball of different colors. So here name it number 2. Violet, a color. Yesterday, the day before. And knockout means to defeat. When you write this question in your notebook, you write the correct answer in front of them, front of the words. जैसे ये bet लिखा है तो इसके सामने ही आप इसका correct answer लिखेंगे. मार्बल के सामने आप मार्बल का जो मीनिंग है वो लिखेंगे. जैसा ग्लॉसरी में हमने देखा स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जब ये एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करेंगे उसी तरह से आपको इनके आंसर्स सामने लिखने हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. राइट yes or no in the given boxes. Means we have to read these sentences and find these sentences are correct or incorrect. First one is Ali had read a book of riddles. So that sentence is correct? No, because Qasim had read a book of riddles. Qasim ने किताब पढ़ी थी, Ali ने नहीं. Qasim knew the answer of the riddles asked by Ali. क्या Qasim को Ali के द्वारा पूछे गए रिडल का आंसर मालूम था? No. Ali showed Qasim a blue and red pencil. Ali ने Qasim को एक blue और red pencil दिखाई? Yes. कासिम एंड अली हैड अ बेट ऑफ मनी. कासिम और अली की शर्त क्या पैसों के लिए हुई थी? नो. कासिम सेड मैजिक वर्ड्स ओवर द पेंसिल. यस, कासिम ने अपनी पेंसिल में कुछ जादुई शब्द कहे थे. नाउ हियर आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाई वाज कासिम ईगर टू हैव अ बेट विथ अली? Qasim was eager to take a bet with Ali because he was very sure of his success. Moreover, his mind was full of riddles. He had nothing to do that day. Question 2. Who won the first bet? How did he win it? Qasim won the first bet. He won it because he knew the two meanings of the word bark. The skin of the tree and cry of the dog. It was their agreement. Question number 3. How is noise the correct answer to Qasim's second question? Noise is the correct answer of Qasim's second question because on taking out its eye from noise, only nose is left. Question number 4. How is smiles the correct answer to Qasim's third question? And answer is smiles is the correct answer to Qasim's third question because in between S or S of the word smiles there is a mile. Question 5th. Why did Qasim think that Ali had cheated him? Qasim thought that Ali had cheated him. Ali had won 9 marbles by asking him a riddle to which he himself did not know the answer. Qasim had given 10 marbles to Ali and Ali returned 1 marble and saved 9. Sixth question. What kind of pencil did Qasim say he had? Qasim said that he had a pencil which could write any color that he liked. Question 7. What kind of pencil did Qasim really have? In reality, Qasim had only an ordinary pencil. Question 8. How did Qasim get back his 10 marbles from Ali? So Qasim said that his pencil could not write any color. Ali had made a bet for 10 marbles with him. Qasim took out his pencil. He recited some magic words. He wrote red, blue, yellow, green, orange on a piece of paper. Ali lost the bet. In this way, Qasim got back his 10 marbles from Ali. So students, I hope all of you have to understood the answers. So you have to write it in your fair notebook and learn it.